What is this? What kind of film is this? You're not allowed to bring video nasties into Spain.
Video nasties? That's my mother.
You cheeky bastard. You're not exactly Michael Bublé yourself. She went to the doctor with stomachache. He lifted up her gut, found 9 quid in loose change, 2 remote controls and next door's cat.
Oh, will you please shut up? Just listen to 2 hours of you snoring on the plane. I don't need any more headache. What have you got in that bag?
Snoring? Who was snoring? Chance to be a fine thing with Elvis Presley next to me farting, shoveling in the pasties.
You did snore, because I videoed it on my dad's phone.
Eh? That's never me. You've done something with that. Give us it here.
Get off!
Stop
Nana, get off!
Right, give us me phone, Michael.
Get off!
Right, give us me phone.
Hey, what's going on here?
Nothing. They're just a bit giddy about being on holiday.
What is this? What kind of film is this? You're not allowed to bring video nasties into Spain.
Video nasties? That's my mother.
You cheeky bastard. You're not exactly Michael Bublé yourself.
She didn't mean that. She's not had a cig for about 3 hours. She'll be all right once we get her outside and stick her gob over the coach's exhaust for a couple of minutes. It's just a joke. Oh, look, we're holding up the queue.
Wait. Your face, it is familiar to me.
Really? You sure? Because I thought we all looked the same to you. And I don't mean that in a racialist way.
Have you ever been arrested in Spain, specifically Benidorm?
Arrested? You're joking, aren't you? Me? I wouldn't say boo to a goose.
Yeah, you have. When you punched Mel on the beach, they arrested you and put you in the cells in the police station.
Oops.
Please, follow me.
Brilliant. Another hour without a cig.
Oh, shut up.
Good morning. Joyce Temple-Savage, Solana manageress. How can I be of service to you?
Well, for a start, we booked 2 rooms in a 4-star hotel, but we seem to have been put into a 1970s Bulgarian youth hostel.
I'm sorry. I went backpacking through Bulgaria in the 70s, and I can assure you they didn't even have a ping-pong table, never mind a piano bar with a choice of 4 continental lagers.
There's no way this place would get a 4-star rating in any country.
Now, was it Bulgaria or was it Minsk? I remember it sounded like one of the Wombles.
How can you call yourselves 4-star? You have got to be joking. Poor quality bed linen, no safe in the rooms, wire hangers in the wardrobe.
Yes, I'm sorry about the hangers. We used to have solid gold ones, but people kept stealing them.
I am not staying here, absolutely no way.
No, it's all right, baby, I'm all over it. When we booked this hotel...
There's no Wi-Fi.
What?
Is this true?
Is what true?
You've got no Wi-Fi?
I can assure you we have full internet facilities in our newly refurbished business centre.
And where is that?
Is that desk over there?